Hello students, today we'll learn a few things about subtraction. We can all do simple subtraction sums mentally, small numbers very easily. For example, given here, 9 minus 4 gives us 5. This is what we get when we subtract. First number, the bigger number, that is 9, is called the minuend. The number taken away, that is 4 here, is called the subtrahend. And the answer when we get by subtracting these two numbers is called the difference. So minuend minus subtrahend gives us difference. For subtracting large numbers, we have to arrange the numbers in their proper place value chart very carefully. Now let us see an example. This is subtraction without borrowing. Simple subtraction without borrowing. 6 minus 3 gives us 3. 8 minus 1 gives us 7. 7 minus 0 gives us 7. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. So 9,43,786, such a big number, minus 5,22,013. The answer we get, the difference is 4,21,773. Now let us see subtraction with borrowing. In this, we need to see that we need to borrow because the minuend is small, so we need to borrow from the next column. 6 minus 7 cannot be done, so we'll borrow 1 from 8. 8 becomes 7 and 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 7 gives us 9. Now 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 1 gives us 6. Again the next line, 7 minus 2 gives us 5. Now 3 minuend is again smaller than the subtrahend. 3 we'll borrow 1 from 4 becomes 13 and 4 becomes 3. So 3 minus 6 gives us 7 and 4, which has become 3, we need to borrow again. We'll borrow 1 from 8, it becomes 7 and this becomes 13 again. 13 minus 9 gives us 4 and 7 minus 5 gives us 2. So 8,43,786 minus 5,96,217 gives us 2,47,569. Now let us see some facts of subtraction. As already discussed, answer of subtraction is called difference. Now whenever we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Example here in B part, 1458 minus 0 gives us 1458. Now let us see the C part. 5674 minus 5674. The same number subtracted from the same number, we get the answer 0. Suppose 6 minus 6, we get 0, just like that. Now let us see the D part. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get its predecessor. 9 minus 1 gives us 8. 8 is the predecessor. Similarly here, 2346 minus 1 gives us 2345. Now last E part is very important. Let us see. We have to write the bigger number first when we subtract. Order is important while we are subtracting. 2000 minus 125 gives us 1875. We cannot write 125 minus 2000. So the bigger number right on top and the smaller number after it. Then only we can subtract. Let us move forward. Now we have to check subtraction. That is our answer correct? So what do we do? Let us see. We'll take a number 95,051 minus 64,837. Now we have to do subtraction. So 1 we cannot subtract 7 from it, so we'll borrow. 11 minus 7 gives us 4. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Again 0, we cannot subtract from it, so we'll get 10 there. 10 minus 8 gives us 2, and 4 minus 4 gives us 0. 9 minus 6 gives us 3. So now this is the answer, but is it right or wrong? How do we check? We'll write the answer on top, and the same number which we subtracted, which was taken away, we'll add. Let us see. 4 plus 7 gives us 11. So 1 here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 gives us 5. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 plus 6 gives us 9. So see, 95051. This is the same answer which we see. The number that we subtracted, we have written, and the final difference that we got, we have written on top. When we add the difference with the subtrahend, we again get the minuend. So this is how we check that a subtraction sum is correct. We will give you more practice sums like this. Another interesting concept, to find the missing digits. It can be subtrahend, it can be minuend, it can be difference. So let us start. What should we have subtracted from 8 to give us 5? Very good, answer is 3. Now, how can we get 0 if we subtract something from 9? 9 minus 9 gives us 0, right? So the answer here will be 9. Now again, from which number can we subtract 7 so that we get 1? We can write here 8 minus 7 gives us 1. And 6 minus 2, what will we get? Answer is 4. So we can easily fill the columns. Let us see. 8 minus 3 is 5, correct. 9 minus 9 is 0, absolutely correct. 8 minus 7 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. I hope you enjoyed it. Do watch the video again while doing the worksheets given in the following weeks.